Now to the COVID-19 outbreak at ASU. Today, President Michael Crow announcing the university will release more data on coronavirus cases among students. This comes as they've taken some heat this week after we and others discovered cases being publicly shared are current cases only. ABC 15's Mike Pelton joining us live in Tempe with more on this. Mike?
Yeah, well, Steve, health and data experts say the cumulative case number, the total number of cases, is important to help publicly track trends. Now, we do expect the university to start reporting the total number of COVID-19 cases since August this evening, although today President Michael Crow maintains their focus is on current ones. Data helps track trends. Perhaps it also leads to transparency. ASU, it turns out, was referring to only current COVID-19 cases among students when they provided their update Monday night. 807 cases among a nearly 75,000 person student body.
We actually have a process and a procedure for people to be cleared, medically cleared. And then once medically cleared, they're no longer a positive and they're also no longer socially isolated.
With 48,000 tests completed, ASU is now willing to share the total positive cases, including those who have recovered. As the university tries to navigate a pandemic, they have a health app to help check symptoms, mitigation plans in place, but have already shuffled their housing situation to deal with virus spread.
What we're beginning to see is a decline in those numbers, in fact, a substantial decline in those numbers. So right now, this is our management strategy, so things are being managed.
I asked President Crow what would lead ASU to go all online. He tells me it's a few factors, looking at data from the community, social spread, university spread, and capacity for isolating students.
I think there's a lot of institutions that are just, they're thinking this thing is going to go away. They're thinking that there's going to be a magic vaccine and everybody will be back in school in November and there'll be no virus. No, all of these tools are going to have to become a part of all institutions that gather people together.
Now, ASU officials say they are working on random sampling to get a better and more accurate reflection on just how prevalent the virus is around campus. Also today, President Crow revealing that they've operated on an assumption that between 1% and 2% of students could be positive at any given point in time. For now, we're live in Tempe tonight. Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.